Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how to select and delete hundreds of photos fast on your iPhone 17. At first, you have to go to the Photos application over here. Now as you can see, I do have in my library 275 photos. And to select many of them at once, you have to at first tap select, hold your finger on the one photo. For example, let's start here in the beginning and here in a moment. Now, when it's selected, move it like this, and now you can scroll all the way down to select as many items as you want. I can, for example, stop there, or maybe not, maybe here, and now tap this button icon to delete, and now delete 311 items, or 211 items, I don't remember. And now we can go to the collections, scroll down, so that we can see recently deleted, view album, our passcode, and it's here as you can see. And that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.